What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So tomorrow we got a short little float trip planned, and today I got a little bit of time. I got out, we're just doing some wading, got the flighter out here, and we're gonna see what kind of smallmouth we can get into, or anything else that hits a big streamer. But yeah, we're just gonna do a little wading. I'm gonna work up this side of the bank here a little ways and see what we can get into. There we go. Feels like a pretty good fish. Oh, feels like a pretty decent fish here. Oh, nice smallie. Grab my net. Ooh. Oh, that's a nice fish. Got him. Oh no, I didn't get him. There, we got him. Whew, that's a nice fish. What a beautiful, beautiful smallie. That's a great fish to start out. Oh, that's awesome. Choked the streamer. All right, we'll go ahead and get a release on this guy. There's a little guy. Little guy's putting up a fight. Oh, there he goes. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for today. It wasn't terrible. I was only out for about an hour. Got into those fish. I lost a couple. We got a shorter trip planned for tomorrow, just a short float. It's supposed to be thunderstorms and stuff rolling in the afternoon. So hopefully we get on a bunch of fish while we're out. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow out on the drift boat. Chilling like a trout. Nice size fish. Bigger than the one I got. Oh, I just got whacked. Yeah, I just watched him hit it. I love that. Got him. Oh, that was awesome. Not a big fish, but that was sick. First fish of the day.
Oh God! I think that was a rock. Holy shit!
Got him! Got him! Oh, that was awesome.
Is that a bass?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. He's legend.
That was awesome. He came up and trucked that streamer.
Right boat.
Yeah, it's not a bad one.
Go up right here if you want.
Here we go. Pretty good fish for today so far. Second fish of the day. Starting to get a little bigger. Sweet. Something's chasing tons of minnows right there. This was, there we go. There we go. That's a better fish. Oh my God. Another little guy. Got him. That was awesome. Another little guy. Got him. This thing just came out of nowhere, crushed it. Not a giant, but it's a better one for today. They are choking them too when they are hitting them. Not a bad fish. Sweet, let's get another one. Oh. Streamer just disappeared. That's a better fish. Better fish for today. Not a giant, but it's been a struggle today. We got a storm rolling in. I'm not sure if that has something to do with it. And it's hot.